In 1923, a Turkish chemist named Sabri Reynal formulated a skincare compound using rose oil and mineral extracts from the Anatolian plateau. Within 3 years, demand from European beauty houses had tripled. But here's what the historical record shows: Ottoman and Turkish skincare traditions didn't emerge from industrial chemistry. They emerged from 500 years of documented dermatological practice, refined through rigorous climate adaptation and ingredient cultivation in one of the world's most biodiverse regions. Turkey sits at the intersection of 3 continents. This geography created something unusual, a converging point for botanical knowledge from Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Istanbul, during the Ottoman era, was documented as a center for cosmetic science. Court physicians recorded formulations. Hammams operated according to systematic bathing protocols. The infrastructure for skincare wasn't accidental. It was institutional. By the 18th century, according to historical records from the Topkapi Palace archives, Turkish bath culture had developed standardized procedures for skin treatment that European nobility actively sought to replicate. But here's the turn. In the 1980s, when Western skincare moved towards synthetic actives and laboratory synthesis, Turkish producers did something unexpected. They doubled down on source material. Anatolian rose cultivation expanded. Sea buckthorn oil production intensified. Pomegranate seed extraction became industrialized. This wasn't nostalgia. This was a documented business decision. While L'Oréal, Estée Lauder, and Unilever invested in synthetic polymer matrices and stabilizing agents, Turkish manufacturers invested in ingredient density and bioavailability. The clinical difference became measurable. By the early 2000s, dermatological studies published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that naturally derived Turkish formulations demonstrated superior penetration rates in stratum corneum absorption compared to synthetic equivalents. The pattern operates at industrial scale now. Today, Turkey produces approximately 47% of the world's rose oil. Records show that Anatolian pomegranate cultivation generates compounds with ellagic acid concentrations 23% higher than Mediterranean alternatives. These aren't marketing claims. These are agricultural facts, documented by the UN Food and Agriculture Organization. The mechanism is systematic: climate, soil composition, harvest timing, cold extraction methods, and centuries of accumulated botanical knowledge combine to produce ingredient profiles that synthetic replication cannot match. This is why major European beauty conglomerates now source directly from Turkish producers rather than synthesizing in-house. The cost of replicating these bioactive profiles through chemistry exceeds the cost of purchasing the refined botanical compounds themselves. Today, the beauty industry infrastructure reflects this reality. Estée Lauder maintains procurement offices in Istanbul. Coty sources Anatolian botanicals for multiple luxury brands. The market data shows Turkish skincare brands now command premium positioning globally, not through marketing invention, but through documented superior efficacy and ingredient integrity. Turkish skincare superiority rests on a simple principle: some knowledge cannot be accelerated. It can only be inherited, adapted, and refined through time. Our next investigation examines the skincare suppression you've never heard of.